Okay, we will start next assignment. Let's build a program for generating a random password. To generate anything random, we need to import the module random. Import random as RD. RD is the alias. Okay. Now let's create one string called S1, which has uppercase A to Z, A, B, C, D. So our random number should have minimum of one uppercase, one lowercase, one digit, and remaining can be any one of the uppercase, lowercase, or digits. Okay. Let's create another string S2 which has lowercase a b c d. So if you have a 8 character password, the first one character should be uppercase, one character should be lowercase, one character should be digit, and the remaining can be any one of them. Compulsorily, I need one uppercase, one lowercase, and one digit. Okay. Next, we'll have one other string called D1, which is having 0 to 9. Okay. Now let's create a list from each one of these. Let's call it first list is upper list. Upper one is equal to list of S1 bracket S1. Lower one is equal to list of S2, and digits 1 is equal to list of D1. So let us print upper one, lower one, and digits 1. So this should be having 26 members. Lower one also should be having 26 members, and digits 1 should be having 10 members. So together we have 26 plus 26 plus 10, which is 62 numbers. Okay, digits 1, there is a spelling mistake. Yes. A, B, and correct. Okay, now let's create one empty string called PWD in line 2. In line 2, PWD is equal to empty string. PWD is equal to empty string. Okay, now in line 13, let's come to line 13. One line. PWD is equal to PWD plus let us say S1 square bracket 0. Okay, next PWD is equal to PWD plus S2 square bracket 0. PWD is equal to PWD plus D1 square bracket 0. Okay, after line gap, print PWD. So I must get a 3-digit password now with one uppercase, one lowercase, and one digit. Very good. A0. Let's remove the print statements of line. Yeah. Run the code again. Okay. Run it again. Okay. Each time we are getting the same password. This is not desirable. So instead of taking upper of 0, we need to create a random number above this line. In line 9, push everything down. Let's create rd1 is equal to rd dot rand int 0 to 9, and in line 13 instead of s1 of 0, no, in line 13 instead of s1 of 0, can we make it s1 of rd1 and remove the empty lines in 12. After line 11, again one more enter, again we'll do rd1 is equal to, we do not want to use the same random number, we want to use a different random number each time. The random number for uppercase is different from the random number of lowercase. Very good. In line 14, instead of S2 of 0, it should be S2 of RD1. But why 0 comma 9 in line 10 should be 0 comma 25, right? Because we have 26 characters. Yes. Now one more RD1 in line 15. Yeah. RD1 is equal to RD dot rand int. This time it is 0 to 10 because there are only 10 digits. 0 to 9. And in line 17 it should be D1 of RD1. So here now we are expecting each password to be unique. EA2, next one. Yes. Okay, now this is only three character password. What about the fourth character? To get the fourth character, it can be anything now. It can be upper, lower, or digits. So let us create a full list, maybe full one after line, no, not there, after line 8, we'll call it a full one is equal to upper one plus, I think full one is not easy to understand, just call it full. Maybe full is fine. Is equal to upper one plus lower one plus digits one. Yeah. So in line 19, we will create one more random number. RD1 is equal to RD1 dot rand int. This time we have 62 characters. So we'll generate a number between 0 and 61. And we'll do PWD plus PWD, old PWD plus full of PWD is equal to PWD plus full square bracket RD1. Yeah, so this we generate the fourth character. Now let us see the output. Okay, run it again. Let's run it again. Okay, now fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. We need to run it 5 times. Can we put a for loop in line 19? For I in range 0, comma 5, comma 1, colon, shift line 21 and 22, remove the empty line in line 21, and now we have a 8 character, 8 password with 8 sizes. Yes, very nice. Try it again. Very good. Okay, I can see that the first character is always uppercase. So what we'll do is we will try to shuffle the PWD. To shuffle, we have to first convert the string to a list. So in line 23, let's call it as list 1 is equal to list of PWD. Now let's create two variables, PWD and PWD1. Let the original PWD be called PWD1 in line 12, two places, line 15, two places, line 18, two places, line 18, two places, and in line 22, two places, and line 23, one place, and let's line 25 also put PWD1. Okay, now we will generate PWD2 is equal to two inverted commas dot join bracket list 1. Print. Okay, before we do that, can we do a shuffle after line 23? List, rd dot shuffle bracket list 1. list 1. Okay, now we'll print pwd2 also here. Okay, very good. Can we run it again? Very nice. So we know we don't need the first pwd1. We can remove that printout. 26 is not required, and we can run this again. Okay, run it again. I see an uppercase. Okay, fine. This is fine. Now let's do a save this file and make a function of this. Get password one can be the function name. Get password one, and we can write size one as the input parameter. Now we can shift everything from 3 to 28 to the right, and in line 22 we need to reduce size 1 by 3. So instead of 5, earlier it was 8 minus 3, now it is size 1 minus 3. And in line 29 we can call the function as get password 1, maybe 20 characters. 20 characters. Okay. Size 1, I think, in line 22. Size 1. Yeah. Very nice. Run it again. Very good. Okay, with that we have come to the end of the password generator function.